I'm from HelloFresh, here to take your dinner routine to the next level. And they've had this meal 800 times.
But they've never had shrimp tacos. Wow, that one only takes 20 minutes. Beef bibimbap. That'll be a first. What's this? Just your HelloFresh delivery, on time and ready to brighten up your dinner routine. Because you always get the right amount of whatever you need, instead of enough cilantro to feed a small army, which means less waste and more time cooking together. HelloFresh has always got your back, making sure that making dinner is never boring. Now you can discover meals everyone will love every week. Mondays can become ginger beef meatball Mondays. Tacos can be tasty turkey burrito bowls. Or keep it light and fresh with Carb Smart koftas. Then try something veggie with crispy falafel salad.
Hey, leave the falafel.
Sorry. HelloFresh, a new routine that's anything but routine. Click below and use code MEALTIME20 and get an exclusive offer.